segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing economics in that sectors of Indian economy. Today we are going to discuss uh, another one's important sub topic of this chapter, that is a division of sectors as organized and unorganized. So before going these topics here, some example given in your textbook, we'll understand that two persons activities they given. One is Kanta, another one is Kamal. So Kanta, she works in a office as the working hours, the morning 9:30 a.m. to evening 5:30 p.m. She gets a regular salary, that is a monthly basis, and in addition she's having a, that is a provident fund, PF, that is the workers safety amount by the uh, organized by the government, and she's having a medical allowance also with the facility in that office, and she will get a holiday on a Sunday, and that when she will get the holidays, the festival holidays, that also it is paid to her, in it is included in her salary. And she got a appointment letter also, while the with the having a terms and condition of that particular office. So you keep in these all the things in your mind. The second one, that is a Kamal. The Kamal is a neighbor of Kamala. Kamal is a neighbor of Kanta, and he is working in a one grocery shop. Yes, that is a general store. That a timing of he is working, that a morning 7:30 to evening 8 p.m. So he's not having any allowance. He is not having a facility of medical facilities, and as well as a provident fund, and in between there is no holiday at all. We suppose the holidays, if they are the given, they will deduct a amount in his salary, and sometimes they will pay for a weekly wages amount, and that depends upon them. Is the allowance are part of his wages are not given anything, and whatever the leaves if he taken, they are not paid for him. Yes, the when Kanta, she will take on the Sunday, the holiday, normally holiday on the Sunday, that one is paid to her. But the Kamal, they are not paying that Sunday salary because it is a holiday. And there is no appointment letter, as well as there is no provident fund, and saying that he has been employed in that shop, there is no, the only the working in one shop, there is no terms and condition, there is no letters at all. And this kind of the we are talking about the Kamal. Yes, so they can remove that person anytime. There is no uh, a notice period, nothing they will give. But in where we are getting the appointment letter, the terms and condition, it will be deferred to the one institute to another institute. So these two example, you just think about it, the how the situation of Kanta as well as Kamal in our society. In when we see the surrounding areas, some are offices running, their offices are there, some other shops are there. Yes, so they can taking a employment, giving a job, and in sometimes they can remove any time some workers, they will make them a jobless person. And the remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow, the same topic, that is organized and unorganized sectors. For reference, you can refer your textbook. Thank you.